G'day everyone, Connor here from CW Tech Reviews, back with another video. Today we're doing a performance review of the Nokia 7 Plus. We're going to go through some gaming and some benchmarking and come out the other side and see what you all think about it. So without further ado, hit the like button and the subscribe button and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to look at is Geekbench. I have it downloaded here. We're going to run it. Now, I've got all my apps open in the background. I've been using the device since 5 a.m. this morning. It's now 11 o'clock in the morning. So this is a real world test. This isn't like a phone with no apps on it that's never been used going through Geekbench. This is a phone that's getting slogged every day, heavy usage, about to do Geekbench. So, run CPU benchmark. So this is fair, I believe. This is real world. Day-to-day use, I don't have any problems with the performance of the device. So what we do have powering the Nokia 7 Plus is the Snapdragon 660, which you can see here on the box. Snapdragon 660. And this variant is running 4 gigabytes of RAM. Alright, Geekbench has finished and here we are looking at the results. We're looking for a multi-core, we're looking at 5,704, and for a single core, 1,615, which isn't too bad. Again, I believe it's middle of the road. So we're looking at about on par with a first generation Pixel device, Samsung Galaxy S7, multi-core, 5,704. And that's where we're looking, around a Galaxy S8, which isn't too bad. Between a Note 7 and an S8, I'm pretty impressed with the Geekbench results. Now, if we look at ADA64, which is my go-to app for finding out what I have on board, we're looking at a Snapdragon 660, 4 gigs of RAM, 14 nanometer, and we're looking at 4 cores at 1800 and 4 cores at 2200. Our next test we're going to look at is Antutu. Antutu's running pretty smoothly. There we have it, 137,645. So running this, we've got the Snapdragon 660, the Adreno 512 and 4 gigabytes of RAM. They're the main components powering the Nokia 7 Plus. And I've got to say, I think that's enough these days to push through a typical day of mobile phone usage. You've seen the benchmarks. Now we're going to go test out some gaming. The speakers on the Nokia 7 Plus are fantastic. It's plenty loud. I've always got the wife telling me to turn it down, so that's a good sign. Alright, so the first game we're going to be testing is Asphalt 8, so let's go and see how it performs playing this intense game, Asphalt 8. Let's go. So I didn't really notice any lagging or lost frame rates or anything like that while I was playing the game. It handled the game really well. I got lost in the game and I didn't notice any slowdowns or lags, and that's what you want when you're gaming. So it handled Asphalt 8 really well. Let me know what you think in the comments, how it performed. Like I said, if I get lost in the game and it's smooth enough, I don't notice any problems. But some of you media fanatics and game heads might notice some big problems, but I didn't see any at all. So, thumbs up for gaming on Asphalt 8. For the last part of this review, I was playing Pubg and I didn't seem to have any problems with the phone keeping up with the game. Now, when I originally loaded the game, it automatically set it to medium graphics intensity because it detected that the phone was running the Snapdragon 660 and 4 gigs of RAM. So I just knew that it was going to be better off running under those settings rather than high intensity. And under those settings, I didn't notice any problems. I didn't notice dropped frame rates or anything like that, or any lag or any stutter. It seemed to keep up just fine. The one thing that didn't keep up was me, old Butterfingers here on the gaming. I just couldn't play it too well, but the phone itself handled it really well. I didn't notice any overheating either while I was playing Asphalt 8 or Pubg. The phone seemed to handle all areas of gaming really well. It's a power efficient chipset, so I would use the Nokia 7 Plus as my daily driver. Gaming, media, general day-to-day performance in multitasking. The sound output is really good. No skip frame rates while playing games or anything like that. I'm really impressed with the Nokia 7 Plus when it comes to performance. Another area of great performance was the battery life. We're running a 3,800 milliamp hour battery here, and I tend to get about 6 hours of screen on time with that. Now, in the size of the device, that is great. It's not a massive device. In terms of thickness, it's not that thick. It's pretty standard, yet the battery is 3,800 milliamp. Android 8.1 helps it run really smoothly and efficiently, and that shows through the gaming and performance and media playback as well. So if you're looking for a great phone, two-thirds the price of a flagship device, then the Nokia 7 Plus could be the one for you. One real drawback for me, and that's waterproofing. That's my experience so far. However, in performance, which is what this video is about, it's up there with the best. You can't complain about it. Now, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and the like button. Give me a thumbs up, share it amongst your friends, and I will catch you in the next video. Check out.